Incredible.
Amazing.
I want to say beautiful actually.
Vibrant.
India in one word.
Unity in diversity.
Population.
Unity and diversity.
Chaotic.
Mixture of cultures.
You got to experience it once.
Famous for
Love. Taj Mahal.
The people, the culture.
culture.
There are a lot of places to see around.
I guess the wide variety of culture we have here.
I would say for its knowledge.
Different weathers, different cities.
It's part of the whole culture, it's part of the whole experience of a Bollywood, Taj Mahal.
Indian food, Indian culture, Indian heritage. Yeah, so many things.
Everything is there. Yeah.
I think India has a lot to offer in terms of heritage. Tell the people about the culture, the heritage.
Tourism in India, it's lax.
Colorful places and beauty, nature is there.
The greenery, the economic conditions, then the people of India, everything. I mean, there is nothing which I cannot love about India.
You know, still in India, it's the family values. We are not still become very mechanized about everything.
I've been to China, I've been to Hong Kong, I've been to Singapore. I literally enjoy the people who are actually living over there. They're pretty disciplined.
My wife.
Okay. Family, friends.
Now with friends.
But when I actually going for a specific destination, I travel with my family.
Just to spend some time with my kiddo.
Travel together with a little bit of family as well.
I think I would love to go to Japan.
US.
Switzerland and New Zealand.
Canada, Kashmir or Switzerland. Switzerland.
Fiji.
Venice and Egypt.
New York. So I want to go around India.
No, there are so many places.
Philippines.
Our northeast it's awesome.
Everything I'm having. So surely I'll travel.
Both actually. Yeah.
Definitely, I would like to buy something.
Probably both. I'll divide it.
So I'm scared about two things, fine, which is the hotels, fine, because ultimately you don't know. You may see only the websites and all these things which you talk all fancy and all, fine. And the second thing like this, that hand-holding by the travel agent is very bad.
It's basically about the hotels. Flights and all, traveling through a train and you know what is there. A little skeptical about the hotel rooms. Hygiene is a major concern.
Seeing the world, yeah. Seeing different people, different foods, different cultures.
I love visiting new places.
Leisure.
You just want to relax.
Relax, see something different.
Basically on FB.
WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter.
We don't do social media, no.
Facebook.
I'm on Twitter, but I'm not on Facebook.
Only Facebook.
I'm gone.
Oh, these days it's very difficult.
Probably go crazy.
I do, not a lot though, because I like to have fun while I'm traveling and not post pictures while I'm at it.
Usually not. Yes.
Let them feel that you can experience this as well.
Friends to see.
I'm not actually so public that where I'm traveling and what I'm doing and all these things.
Yes, I do. I love to.
Just to update my pictures and all. That's the only reason.
To be very honest, I get very less time to be there in the social media.
Online.
Earlier there were travel agents, but yeah, I search on net and...
Sometimes online.
I prefer booking online.
Convenient.
You don't have to stand in lines. It's cheaper.
It's convenient.
Much more convenient.
People are looking for good packages. Most of the time it's very convenient to carry. It's always there with me.
In general, Make My Trip and Yatra.
There are so many websites are available nowadays. Yatra.com only.
I use ClearTrip, I use Expedia. More of Expedia actually now because it's much more convenient.
I use Yatra and Make My Trip.
Like we go to any website, like it's not specific one, right?
Make My Trip, ClearTrip.
Yatra.com.
Make My Trip, and I use bookings.com.
I use Make My Trip.
Yes, I heard about Expedia.
Yeah, Expedia.com.
From one of my colleague.
Expedia.
Yes.
Expedia, yeah.
Yeah, I have heard of Expedia, seen their ads as well.
Right, I have heard of and I have been like.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have, but I have never used it.
Yes.
Sometimes in TV ads and all through the TV ad.
From some of my friends.
I've seen a commercial on TV. I was booking online for discount prices and all, so from there I also came to know about Expedia.
In the newspaper.
I've heard it through internet, through social media, through advertisement.
Maybe has a lot of promotions, and not very many people know about Expedia right now, I think. I think it's quite friendly, and the website is also nice and everything, so one can be just easily accessible.
I think a little bit of more advertisement.
Something like experiential. There are so many things like experiential things coming up.
To reach the common people and then.
Well, a few promotions of theirs and stuff that they've been here for a while, I guess.
I would engage with the customers more. I would really like to know what they really like, how would they like to travel, instead of me trying to tell them how can they travel.
Before you sleep and after get up.
Yeah. I thank God.